So what's up guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you guys an easy way to verify your TikTok to get your check mark, just like everybody else. So what you need to do is to click on this place and always stop waste anybody's time. So after clicking that side, click here. Make sure you have a significant amount of followers from like 10,000 upward, and make sure your account is active, right? So what you need to do is to click on what you need to do is to click on you click on settings and privacy, then you are going to go to account, right? After going to account, then this verification should be down here. Then you just click on verification. It's going to be loading like this. Then what you need to do next is to select the category you're in, right? So I'm just going to go and select the category: personal blog, professional services. So just click on others, trusted media coverage. So what you need is that you need articles around about you. You see, you need different articles about you, Wikipedia links, and just different articles. After you fill this, they'll ask you to put your ID card. After you input your ID card, then boom, you can now apply for you can now apply for the verification, and they will now verify your account. So it's just simple.